Feeling the loving all day long, feeling the loving of my song, feeling the loving because I love.
I'm the assistant to one of the most famous mothers in the entire world, so yeah, my life can get a little bit stressful. But the good news is, Young Living had people like me in mind when they designed these new mini kits. Each little kit is filled with pure, therapeutic-grade oils and solutions that help me deal with everyday problems that pop up.
Ah, mini kits. I love those.
Each mini kit comes in a chic little canvas case. Just pop it in your purse, and you have instant access to some of Young Living's most beloved and time-tested single oils and blends.
Different kinds of kits for different kinds of people.
Did you want to introduce the mini kits?
Me? No. You're doing great.
It really seems like you want to.
I would never presume.
Do you want me to bring them into your office?
Oh, all right. I'll do it for you. If you need to relax, unwind, de-stress, you're gonna love the Serenity Now kit. If you feel like you need a little extra soothing and easing, there's the Mind Over Matter kit. If you're not feeling like yourself, there's the Wish You Well kit. And finally, the To the Rescue kit. This all-in-one grab-and-go kit helps you tackle all of life's most common everyday problems.
Great job.
Thank you. Everyone tells me I'm kind of a natural on camera.
I'm gonna just take this Serenity Now kit. I'm on my break.
I didn't know you had a break. Funny.